Okay, so the Booty Builder machine. This is one of the things that I like about the Booty Builder machine is that unlike loading the bar, all you have to do, you've got two pegs here, so you're just able to load straight onto the bar instead of loading the bar up, laying down on the ground, positioning it on your hips. It's already pretty much set up for you. These right here can be taken off, or you can keep them on. It just adds a little bit resistance to the hip thrust. For me, if it's your first time being on here, I would probably start with low weight, like maybe 10 or 15 pounds on each side, maybe even 25. But there's a few key things that you need to think about when you're using this machine. If you are feeling it in your lower back too much, then you're not doing it right. So you have to remember the lower back, the glutes, the hamstrings, they all work together. But primarily, we want to be working the booty. So that's where you should be feeling it the most. What you're gonna do is you're gonna strap yourself in. There's 3 different ways of doing that here. So I'm gonna use the last one. And also something to point out, on the left side here, and there's a chart, you will look at the chart and depending on your height, will depend on where you will put this. So like for me, it's already adjusted to where it needs to be, but just to show you, if you're like really long-legged, you'll probably need to go back. But for me, it's just a neutral position. So it's on 3. The seat can also be adjusted up and down with this lever underneath me. Whoop, let's not do that. So again, you're just gonna have to play with it a little bit until you get used to it. Okay, once you have strapped yourself in, like a carnival ride, your feet need to be about shoulder width apart. We want to mentally think about pushing through our heel and our toe. So you're gonna position your bottom of your shoulder blades to the mat. And for me personally, it's most comfortable for me just to put my arms up like this. You're gonna go all the way up. So it's like you're making a tabletop with your body, and they're gonna slowly sink down, but make sure that you're keeping your chest up, meaning my chest is not following my hips. So again, we're going here, sinking at the hips only, all the way up, full squeeze of the booty and the hamstrings, sinking back down, up, squeeze, and back down. No movement of the upper body at all. Make sure you're just looking forward, looking up the wall.